Let's see. Yep. Yeah, pretty much. Let's actually change that. What, I'll probably lower the YouTube sound. Oops. Alright. I'll turn the volume up a little bit more because I have my Discord pretty low. Alright. You should be able to hear yourself better now. I think I know why.
Pretty well, but
here's why.
I hear myself barely.
Here's why.
Okay, I can hear myself now.
Yeah. But you should probably mute YouTube, unless you should mute YouTube. Obviously you can watch, but you should probably mute YouTube. So that way you're not getting that echo.
Yeah, I'm getting an echo. I'm getting a strong echo.
Right. Alright, guys. Thanks everyone for joining me this morning. Well, it's morning for me, but okay, so today what we're going to be working on is we're going to be working on a little bit more of the ammo, and we're also going to be working on a little bit of weapon functionalities, for example, recoil and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's the plan. But let's see. Anyways, so what we're going to be getting to is probably the functionality of the ammo being displayed on the HUD, and so that way we can keep track of our ammo. And then we're going to be getting to making sure all the ammo functionality is present. So, yep. Alright, so, real quick, just to point it out, if you haven't figured it out already, holy cow, I think I just realized my, this is the Discord server, link in the description, and give me a second so I can update the live stream, because the live stream is not updated currently. So let me update it to
You can lower me a little bit because
Okay.
I can hear the noise from my background.
Alright. I will do so. And we have our moderator. I don't. Why do I keep saying that slowly? We have our moderator or mod, Nick, or
Rod.
or Nick Rod,
Or-
whichever one you
or
want to call,
Nicola.
or Nicola.
Nick. Yeah, Nick. You can call me Nick.
Okay, so we got Nick up in here. Pixel tiles, cool. So yeah, Discord link in the description. I will also remove the Blender stuff because we do not need the Blender stuff anymore. And, well, we don't need it for this live stream. And, there we go. So, jeez, I remember those days, Ace. I remember those days. Yes, we're making a game OVR. We are indeed making a game. So hop in the Discord if you haven't already, and or even in the live chat, and let's get right into it. So what we're going to be doing, and by the way, real quick, we have Nick here. I mentioned we have our mod here, Nick, but he's going to be answering your guys' questions live, and he'll also be responding to you in Discord, hopefully, and definitely in the chat. So yeah, we're making progress, folks. Progress is being made. Anyways, so let's get into this real quick by going into ammo, and we're gonna do so by going into our blueprints, weapons folder, and then of course going into our weapon master. Now, if you didn't catch the last live stream, we very painstakingly made a C++ component, actor component, once again in C++. Yes, FPS. And yeah, thank you. So we're going to be doing a little bit of this in C++ and a little bit of this in Blueprints, most of it in Blueprints probably, but we already have the functionality here. Yeah, I am trying to make a stream every day, so yeah, we're gonna see how this works out and how long this lasts. Today's stream is probably gonna be an hour and a half, maybe an hour. I don't know, but yeah, we'll see. Anyways, let's get into, let's see, I want to actually make the HUD, so I'm gonna go back into Blueprints and create a folder called widgets. If I could spell. I say that every video, every you're subscribing just cause. Why, thank you. Hop in the Discord if you haven't, because the Discord's pretty active, and honestly, I'm learning a lot. Not about Discord, but about game development and a whole lot of stuff. I'm learning a lot of stuff and finding great people and talking to great people in the Discord. So, like Nick here. So, yeah, let's create that widget though, because we're gonna need this to be displayed on our camera so we can see our ammo and our health and other stuff that we add to it. But right now we are just going to call this HUD. And this will house everything from our mini map, should we have one, to our health bar, to our shield bar, to our ammo, to what weapon we have equipped, and plenty of other stuff. But let's just do ammo for now. And let's see. How do I want to do this? I'll probably just grab 2 text boxes. You know what? I really wish I knew how to say like hello in Vietnam or Vietnamese. Jeez, I sound uneducated. I wish I knew how to say hello in Vietnamese, because that'd be really cool. But I don't. So forgive me. We will call this current ammo, and then we're gonna create another text called max ammo. Now obviously they're not going to be called that on screen, but we're just calling them that so that way we know what they are, and then just copy that value up here into the value, oh not that, copy this value into here, vice versa. First time catching live. Why, thank you very much. PH, I want to say Philadelphia, but I feel like that's wrong, because that just sounds wrong, because you're probably not coming from the United States at all. PH, where do you think he's coming from?
I have no idea. PH.
Philippines.
Philippines. Yeah, probably.
Could be Philippines.
Yeah. Philippines. Yeah.
Yes, we got it.
For Philippines.
Woo. All right, and then just for this is how I used to do it, so I'll do it like this. We're just gonna do a slash to divide it, but I'm gonna make the font like twice as big, and I'm gonna size to content, but I'll make the font like twice as big, if not like 3 times as big, and so that way it like twice as big will work, but it'll just be the divider between the two. And I'm gonna fit to content, and then let's see, that and that should look good, but we will manage it as needed. And is this, no, this needs to be fit to content as well. And then we're gonna just set these guys down here.
We can make a crosshair.
That is a good point.
In Photoshop, by the way.
You're gonna make a crosshair in Photoshop?
Yeah, I can make a decent crosshair in Photoshop.
Okay, that works.
I can send it to you in Discord.
Okay, yeah.
For now, some placeholder or something, but you know, just to know it's a crosshair.
You just call him a Jap. He is not a Jap. That's racist. Oh, I'm racist. His username's Jap. Oh! Oh, I'm gonna look so bad. I'm so sorry, dude.
Indirectly racist.
Indirectly racist.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll put it in general, or maybe in mods. Okay, I'll put in mods. If there's a channel.
No, there's not a text channel for mods. Just throw it in 2D art. Yeah, you got it.
It's just a, just a decent normal crosshair.
we're going to want to make current ammo and max ammo variables, by the way, but don't make the slash a variable because we don't really care about that. And I'm just going to call it the slash. So that way I know what that one is. Anyways, okay, everything looks good. But I want to actually add the code for it. So, excuse me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on current ammo, and then on text I'm going to bind and create binding. And then what we're going to do is we need to cast to our character. So cast to TPP. No. Third person character. So cast a third person character. And the object should be pawn and get player pawn. Actually, yeah, yes, my bad. And then as third person character, get current weapon. And then get current ammo. Oh crap, I made them there. I'm going to create actually a function to update all of the variables. So, and I'm going to grab these variables from here. And then I don't need clip. We don't need clip. We need, let's see, ammo. Oh.
Didn't find any game with that name. What game?
Jap said he made a mobile game on Android called the Crop Circle Warriors. Here, let me grab my phone and look into that actually. Crop Circle Warriors. I cannot find that game. Could you link it? Yeah, thank you, actually. Thank you very much. I'm looking on Google Play as well, and I can't find it, but I am also known to be very blind to crap that's right in front of my face. Yeah, can you guys not hear the background music? I can raise the volume. Oh, you can't hear it, my bad. Okay. It censors you.
That's weird because I can hear the music.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that game looks awesome. Quick shout out, guys, to Jap. And was this made in Unreal? Dude, that's awesome. This totally looks like a game that I would play. This app is incompatible with all of your devices. Okay, that's okay. The reason some of us can't find it is because it's, yeah. It's not compatible with your devices, and if it's not compatible with your devices, then it won't, it will not play or show up on the Play Store. So yeah, super cool game. link down in the chat. I will also throw this link in the description of the live stream, because I think this is actually really cool. There we go. So, yep, no problem, man. Thank you. Alright, so it's not minimum requirements, it's just Google Play is weird about wanting to show apps.
I'll have to leave you guys.
Yeah.
Because the guests have arrived.
See you when we see you, man. Thanks for being on the stream.
You're welcome. I'll be back.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Alright, so thank you guys for those of you who are joining the Discord. Alright, so what we're going to do from here is, let's see, we've got ammo cost. I feel like we've got one more variable that I'm missing, and that would be all ammo. Yep. And then I'm just going to create a function called update. Where did I learn C++? Mostly self-taught. A little bit of an app called Solo Learn on my Android phone. You can also find a website and stuff. I've also done little stuff across many different various websites. Stuff from Udemy that I've paid for tutorials. For Udemy, I've paid for other stuff. I've also gotten help from a viewer called Matthias and some other people. So, yeah. Anyways, no problem. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to... We've got this function called update ammo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to alt drag our stuff in here. So ammo cost, well, we don't need to update ammo cost, but we will just in case. All of this stuff, and we're going to update it from this. So cost, wait, Oh, so they're blueprint editable, but they're not, crap. Okay. We gotta do some C++, guys. We have to do some C++. You guys ready? Probably gonna have to look at some UE4 documentation. Visual Studio right here. Alright, so ammo component, let's see. We need to edit anywhere, but we also need... yeah, and I don't blame you. I am still extremely new to C++, and I'm still very scared of it myself, but the way I get past a lot of that is I do have previous knowledge of other programming languages like Java and C#. I know some other programming languages, but those are the most similar that I can kind of... I mean, Java's got some distance between that and C++, and so does C#, but it's similar enough, and there's enough certain core understandings that you take from each code language to the next. And I just take that confidence that I have with those languages, and I take that and I carry that into my C++. I just try and stay confident. I believe this is right, but this may not work at all. Alright, let's compile, see how it works. Might completely fail, but it might work. Who knows? We'll just have to see. Hopping into Discord. Awesome. We got a crosshair. There's a crosshair for you guys. I'm gonna save this file and let's see. Do I have a textures? Slate. Images. That'll work. Crosshair. There we go. Looks good. Alright. Still compiling the code. Hopefully it doesn't fail. But if it does, we'll have to... It failed. I knew it. Let's see what if it was... Blueprint callable is only allowed when it is a multicast delegate. Okay. Anyone know how to make variables referenceable in blueprints? Do we have to make a multicast? Wish I do. Okay, I think I found out how to do it. So what we have to do is we can do call anywhere, but we have to wait, let me find it again. Replicated. I believe we have to make it replicated. Oh, wait. Nope. Maybe this is what we need. Blueprint read write. Alright, let's just try that. We don't have our C++ master Matthias here. Reference variables, by that I mean like being able to drag off from here and type ammo and see, not the function, but like, obviously we have blueprint callable for the functions, but we need to be able to read them in, and write them in C++. So, yeah. Or in blueprints, my bad. Alright, I've just topped up my monster for the morning. And we're good to go. Alright. We went from like 17 viewers to the second the second I said C++, I just dropped viewership. Because we were at a peak of 17 viewers. So, yeah. Gotta wait for that good old code to compile. And hop into Discord if you haven't. I am a big advocate of my Discord server. Not because it's my Discord server, but because it's a community for you guys to interact with each other and with me quicker, easier, and much more fluently. If you don't have a Discord, create an account. Super easy, free, and all that good stuff, whatever. I am not sponsored. I am not sponsored by anybody or anything or anyone, and none of that stuff. I just am a big advocate of using Discord, especially my server. Oh, I was gonna say, do you guys want to? Did you guys want to help me make a official Unreal Engine forum post about my Discord server to kind of advertise it to people who don't know about my channel or don't watch my channel and just want to make good contact with other game developers and people into game development or artists or any of that stuff? Because this isn't just for game development. It's also for artists who do, you know, 3D stuff and computer-generated art and maybe even game development art. But it's also for that, and then VFX artists, and you've got 3D modelers and environmentalist designers. You guys want to help me make the forum post? Antonio says, yeah. What about the 9 other people watching? Let's see. This is taking a second to compile, but I suppose it did so last time. Alright, forum post it is. If this fails to compile, then we will move on to the forum post real quick, and you guys can help me. Hey! It worked. Let's see if, let me just save it up. Let's see if... I did it, guys. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I didn't think that would actually work. I'm going to be very honest with you. I did not expect that to work. But the fact that it did made me... Oh, and it's automatically alphabetized. Oh my god, I love that so much. Anyways, we're going to get all ammo. And all ammo goes here. Max ammo goes there. Current ammo obviously goes there. And then our cost goes to cost. Now we also want to check if we are out of ammo. And can fire. So I'm going to set that by alt dragging. And yeah. Alright, so there's that. And we don't need to set out of ammo right now. But what we can do now is, should we move on to the forum post, or should we finish up this ammo HUD system real quick? I feel like we should finish up the ammo HUD system, but what do you guys say? While we're waiting for responses, we're going to finish up the ammo HUD system. So now what we're going to do is get current weapon, or get current ammo, and set it to that. And ammo real quick, yeah, that's what I thought. And then for the max ammo, I want to do the exact same thing that I did earlier. Click on this, bind, create binding, and then I'll just actually go to current ammo and copy this, and then just go back to max ammo and paste it. and obviously we will replace the words current ammo, or the variable current ammo, I should say, with the variable max ammo. So that's all we're gonna do. And then we're just gonna real quick hop into third-person C++ and Blueprints, third-person character, and then on begin play. After it all, we're going to create widget, and we're going to create the HUD widget and add to viewport. And then we're going to play and check it out. Control Shift S, real quick. Play. Haha! Now the locations are wrong, but it's exactly what we wanted. So let us go. I don't know why these variables aren't being set, but let me crap. Everyone stick around. I will be right back. Okay, yeah, you're probably right. I do need to set him a begin play. No, I wasn't doing research over in my other window. I go do something real quick. No, I'm just messing. So let's see. I guess we could set them at begin play, even though we don't actually have a begin play. But I will do so. Oh no, I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do. I'm gonna set them over in C++. And let's see, can fire equals true. Out of ammo should equal false. Well, we don't need to do out of ammo because that's handled automatically. Anyways, ammo needed. That's calculated. All ammo 500. Ammo cost 1. Max ammo 30. Current ammo 30. And that'll do it. Control S. Go back. Compile. Give it a second. Now, while that is compiling, we will hear the famous compilation finish noise. But how about we do that forum post real quick? So I'm gonna hop into Unreal Engine forums and drag the tab over here and make a new window, my third browser window, and I am gonna log out of this account because this is my company account. And then I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now what we want to real quick do is see if the variables are properly set. They are not set. Okay. So let's see what is going wrong. Master. No. Okay. Okay, so we know it's partially working because we're getting numbers, not letters anymore, but we need to figure out where the gap is in the code. That will be it, mate. Update ammo's not being called. Control W to duplicate. Do any of you, real quick, does anyone know, thank you very much, Confusion, join the Discord if you have not. Let me see if anyone new has joined the Discord, speaking of which. Server feedback. Nar. No one new has joined besides Hackintosh and Stan the Cowman. But if Confusion... Oh, thank you. Thank you very much, Confusion. Now that that is the case, that we have those updating, we're going to update them on begin play as well. And then update. Ammo. And we should be good. Now, we'll fix the locations and everything, so don't worry about that. But let's just get this. Perfect. Now, I'm going to press Shift F1, drag the HUD. Let's see. HUD. And now I want to just... like, move this here. And increase the font size. It's like 100. Now I'm going to stop and then I'm going to play. Close, no cigar. I'm going to do like 75. And increase these to 35. There we go. I'm just going to move this way just a tad. There we go. Alright. Weapons. There we go. We need to add fire sounds because it's kind of driving me crazy that we don't have fire sounds. So we will do that next. But let's see if reloading works. It doesn't. Oh, and we can still fire one bullet after reload. But it does stop us from firing. That's good to know. Alright, so we'll have to fix reload. But... oh, that's because we never have it set up. Okay, forum post or setup reload? Which one? Sorry for the mic hit. Forum post. Okay. We got one vote on forum post. Forum. Okay, we've got 2 for forum. That's probably going to be the common consensus here. So, consensus. So let's hop over into Unreal Engine forums. Now, if you are not following me or whatever in forums, I don't post very much. Reload. We'll do the reload. We'll do the reload. Trust me. But we've got forum posts people wanting, and I kind of want to do the forum post too. So it's a little bias. Excuse me. 3 people on forum post. Oh wow. No, I'm just messing. So what we're gonna do is where should I put it? Content creation, animation rendering, C++, engine source, no, modding, general discussion. I'll probably do community content and general discussion. Probably. You think that's where I should put it? Anybody got a better suggestion? You know what would be dope, though, is if Epic Games was like, yo, we love your Discord channel. Be our official Discord channel. I mean, I know that's not going to happen. By the way, does Epic Games have an official Discord? Fortnite Discord. Epic Games on Discord. I am literally signed in. Why do you want me to sign in again? I mean... okay, that's whatever. Anyways, anybody got an idea of where I should put it, though? Community content or general discussion or both? Because if it's both, I'm just going to make a big forum post and just copy paste it. Anybody? No? Okay. I'll take that as we should post it in both of them. I love it. I'm assuming... That's community content tools and tutorials. I don't know. General discussion. The unofficial Discord chat for... Dang it! Shoot! I don't even see a link here. UnrealSlackers.org? Huh. Oh, they're an official Discord partner? We will be Discord partners. Don't worry about that. I am actually going to talk to Discord and be legit Discord partners. I'm serious here. We'll do both. All right. We'll just create it in community content, and the prefix will be. What should we say? Tool or tutorial? It's technically none of these. It's like a tool more than anything. Tutorial? I guess. Game developer Discord. Because, like, if I say my name, you know what I mean? No one's gonna be like, oh, it's that guy. Because hybrid, I can't hybrid. Game developer Discord server. I'll just say huge game developer Discord server. Alright, so advanced editor because I like my text options. And then we'll do, we're gonna make this fancy. What icon should we use? Should we use an icon? I'll do this. Let's see. We'll do let's do a header. Let's see. I don't know. I'll just use the default font. For all your game dev needs. Oh, that's funny. Alright. Let's expand this. Shall we? That looks better. Alright. Anybody else hopping in the Discord? Let's see. You know what? Link you the Discord. Link in the description. Discord server. It says Discord server. Link in the description. What are my thoughts on Amazon Lumberyard? You know, it's something I actually want to try out, and I want to do a live stream on it and try it out. Should I actually try it out on this live stream? I could try it out on this live stream. I'm gonna download it just in case. All right. I don't know. Like, what do you guys think I should description? Gotcha. There you go. All right. Lumberyard is installing. Oh crap, I just pulled on my cord, and then on my headphone cord, and then my headset like went out because I pulled on it and then snapped back and hit me in the head, but it like flipped around and hit me with the metal part. God dang it. I feel like my ear's bruised now, but it really shouldn't be because it didn't hit me that hard. Alright, anybody got suggestions on how I should is there a way I can like, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a Google Doc, and you guys can help me. How does that sound? What if I made a Google Doc? If you pre-recorded Infamous Second Son in Italy GameStop, you would get glow-in-the-dark. Yeah. I heard about that. No, it's made from CryEngine. You didn't know this? Actually, I don't blame you for not knowing this. But I kind of blame you, being that it's like right on their front page. I think. No, they don't say it. Not anymore. But they said that it was largely made with that's weird. Because it's literally built from the exact same thing that CryEngine is. Well, that's complicated, yeah. Complicated. Link in the chat and in the description and in the Discord for the Discord the interface. That's cool. I mean, we'll see. I'm gonna try it out in this live stream. That's the plan. So the Google Docs link in the description and in the Discord. Let me throw it in the Discord. Let's see how the... Alright, it's going. Their servers must not be very fast. Either that... What do you mean it's view only? Oh, my bad. Anyone with the link can edit. There we go. You were right. It was indeed view only. Alright, so, alright, you guys go do the work. No, I'm just messing. I'm just messing. I can either help you guys... Apparently not. I can help you guys, or you guys can... I just clicked the download button, dude. Not 11.2. 1.12. You know, I'm just messing. So... Let's, I can do one of two things. I can help you guys in the background while I build Unreal Engine, or not build Unreal Engine, but while I mess with Unreal Engine, or I can mess with great program for screenshots that either screenshot your whole monitor. If you've got dual monitors, you'll want to get a program called ShareX. So stuff like that. But you guys can, yeah. And if you're not in the Discord, link in the description of the live stream. Right? So, let's see. Is anyone in the... Let's see. Oh, I love this meme. I'm sorry. It's the meme channel in our Discord server. All right, let's or use snipping tool. That's too cool. Yeah, I wish I could take credit for the meme. All right, so you guys can help me out with the doc. That'd be awesome, and then we'll just copy paste this into the Unreal Engine form. But in the meantime, I'll help with the doc on my other monitor. In the meantime, I will talk and do Unreal Engine, because that's probably what most of you are actually here for. We said recoil. We might be doing some recoil. Let's actually do the reload real quick. And what I want to do for the reload is go to settings, project settings, excuse me. And then I'm going to go to input. And I don't think I have a reload button. So I'm going to, yeah, I don't. So I'm going to create another action mapping called reload. And that will just be R. I'm digging this music right now. I don't know why. It's just like, I don't usually listen to ambient music and stuff, but like, I'm just digging it right now. Anyways, oh, one other thing. I wanted to add a crosshair. So in your HUD, drag in an image and center it with your center anchor. Set the position to be 0, 0. Size to be 100, 100, and 0.5, 0.5. For the image of this crosshair, if you don't have a crosshair image, is in the 2D art section, is in the 2D art channel of our Discord server, link in the description. I sound like a broken record now. But we're going to use this crosshair, and super simple. We have it centered, so position 0, X, Y, 0, 0. Anchor is centered alignment, it should be 0.5, 0.5, and you can size to content if you want. And what we're going to do for the brush is select CH crosshair, and you can make that a little bit bigger if you want, but I don't know that I'm going to. Well, I might actually. I might do 100 by 100 because that looks like a bit better of a size. And then I'm gonna just play, and as I expected, they don't actually shoot into the center of the screen. They're very close, but they are not at the center of the screen, even with the crosshair aimed down sights. But we'll get to the shooting to the center of the screen later. Don't worry about that. But what we need to do is we need to set up reloading so that way we can reload. And I actually, instead of max ammo, I don't want out of 30. I want to out of how much ammo that we have. Excuse me. So, so I don't want max ammo. I want all ammo. Not that, jeez. Jeez, bro. Alright. There we go. And we need to fix some of the code in C++ to get reloading happening properly, but what we're going to do is go into our third-person character, and we're going to go down here, right-click, and get reload, and on reload we are going to click drag to current weapon and get reload, and just press, and we will just do once. The reset will be on released. And, yeah. There we go. But as far as I know, the reload should not work. Nope, it does not work. Bloop. I love doing that because that's super fun. So the reload does not work code-wise, or math-wise. So let's get the math working on the reload. And I'm surprised nothing's happening with the Google Doc. I mean, like, should I go work on the Google Doc with you guys? I mean, obviously, I'm going to keep working on it, like, outside of the stream. But, like, should I work on it now? Or do you guys just want to work on it with me outside of the stream? It's up to you guys. Or we can do a bit of both. But what I'm actually going to do is I want to actually hop back into my C++, and we need to finish up our code here. So what we're going to do, reload plus ammo needed. Fair enough, fair enough. What will we put though? Put screenshots of like the different Discord channels and stuff that you've got, of the list of channels and rankings, the announcements page, or not the announcements page, but the rules, the guide page and intro page, stuff like that. You can talk about what the channel or what the server is about. Obviously, we know what it's about, but we want to inform those who don't know what it's about. We want to inform them what it is truly about. And it's about game development and art and stuff and coding and cool stuff like that. And sharing content. Anyways, so what we want to do is get current ammo. Current ammo. Or no, max ammo, sorry. Max ammo minus current ammo equals ammo needed. A modifiable. What do you mean? It is, though, is it not? Oh, that was funny. Did you guys hear in the song? Well, you guys haven't heard it yet, but now you guys should have heard it. But like that in the song, there's like that little phone notification sound. That was funny. All right, so let's see. What is it talking about? How did I learn to code? Well, I learned blueprints out of 6 months of teaching myself, and the years after that I'm still learning. I'm still learning to this day. C++, a little bit of self-taught, a little bit of paid programs, a little bit of free programs, and a little bit of the community helping me, and also some of my current knowledge from Java and C# carried over into C++. But I'm still not very good, because right now I'm running into an issue that I feel like should be very simple to solve, and probably is very simple to solve, but I do not know how to solve it because I am a noob in C++. Thank you, Simply a Taco. Join the Discord if you have not. So hashtag relatable. Thank you. Thank you. Ace, you are a mod, so if you can, please hop into the moderator Discord chat, the mods Discord chat, and be a mod, because you are a mod. When this game is done, is it going to be public? Absolutely. If I can do that, I will absolutely do that, yes. So, yeah. Alright. So, welcome Original, welcome Cypher, and welcome Simply a Taco. We're growing, people, and I love it. Can I say, what kind of game? FPS, yes. Can I say, Volmich? Is that and third person. Thank you. Everyone's reminding. Survival, not necessarily, but I could add survival elements. Is that Russian? Or how? I sound uneducated when I talk about other languages. What language is that? Volmichkodel. No, Volmichkolid. I feel like I'm saying this. I'm botching it. What was on your chocolate bear? Oh, yeah, I was gonna say German. That makes sense. What? Okay, so if it's German, I'm reading it as German, then not. Yeah, it's definitely German. I can tell. Volsch. Let's see. I'm still trying to read it as Russian. Vol. Ist. Meine Deutsch ist nicht gut. Chocolate. Because I can tell, so it's Volmisch chocolate. That's what it looks like. Volmisch chocolate. Chocolate. Because it's Volmisch and then chocolate. I'm botching that terribly. Full milk chocolate, that's what I was about to say. I know it's milk chocolate, but I couldn't tell what the vol, but full makes sense, yeah. Welcome. Alright. Wohl Milch Schokolade. In Dutch. I thought it's German. Not Dutch. Deutsch. Das ist Deutsch. Should I be super insensitive and do something related to... Oh no! I love it. Germanic languages do have similarities. That is very true. So, as well as what's the word for languages like Slovakian and Czech and Russian, and as well as Latin languages like Spanish, French, Italian, stuff like that. Slavic, that's it. Slavic. Croatian. That's true. I sound stupid because I always forget Croatian. Oh my gosh, that's a good meme though. All right, so this should be good to go if I save that. Let me hop back into this and compile. It's gonna take a second. Don't know why, because my beast of a computer. If you guys want to know the specs on my computer, I really should post a screenshot or something in Discord and pin it. Let me bring it up on another. There we go. Oh, what the crap? Oh, I know why. There's just, this doesn't really say everything, but, you know, 64 gigs of RAM, Ryzen Threadripper 1950X, not overclocked. I have a GTX 1080 Ti, the EVGA for the Win 3, not the DT version, just the for the Win 3, and I got some SSDs, 4 terabytes of external, yeah, good stuff like that. All right. Let's see. Oh, crap. I'm trying to think, because it's not minus equals. Way better than yours. Yeah, thanks. AKA overkill. Yes, I know. I know. I know. No, 1080 Ti. But what if I said I had two? I'd be lying because I don't. Okay, I'm stupid. Alright. Anyone know how no CPU on the planet is overkill if there's compiling involved? I know, right? Especially, like, okay. I don't know. Okay, let me just put it this way. I know somebody who is getting the i9, what is it? 1800 or whatever one, the highest i9, the 18 core i9. I know someone who's getting it, and they're gonna overclock it, custom loop it. They might even delit it. Oh, man, they're just going overkill with that. And the computer is going to literally be built just for building world machine stuff and compiling code. That's all it's going to be for. It's like, yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Thank you, Antonio, because I couldn't think. Anyways, would anyone know how to solve this issue? Can't even see the code. This is what I have, and I need it to. Yeah. In blueprints? Yeah, I know, right? I probably will. I just want to know how to do it in C++. I'll do that, and I'll do it in blueprints for now. Alright, so how we're going to do this is... Oh. Bro, Matt's here. Alright. Thank you. I was doing it backwards. I knew it was going to be something simple, but I just didn't. Alright. Alright, Matthias, by the way, bro, where did you go in the Discord? Because I don't see you in the Discord anymore. Where'd you go in the Discord, Matthias? Did you leave? I mean, if you did, that's cool, but like, I was just wondering because I didn't see you in there anymore. Is unidentified. What do you mean? Ammo needed is identified right there. Okay. I think that should work. I do believe, being that it was kind of annoying. Dude, that's cool. You know you can also mute it if you've never, like, I assume you've used Discord, but like, if you're not super familiar with Discord, you can mute the server. It's totally a thing. Okay. The only thing that it does not do oh, okay. Where'd the nice looking gun come from? That is a long story. No, I was just messing. That came from the shooter example, which I will show to you real quick if you are not super familiar with it. If you go over into the Unreal Engine, excuse me, Unreal Engine launcher, the Epic Games launcher, and go to Learn, and you scroll most of the way down, all the way to where it says Shooter Game. You can download this and export or migrate or whatever to your project, or just to an FBX file, import it into your project. It's got come with materials. Same thing with the player model. Same thing with the player model and the animations for the player model and stuff, and the sounds. So pretty much this is a copy of the shooter example, except for the world. So yep. Except for, of course, the fact that we're doing our own gun mechanics and we're doing our own animation blueprints and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's hop back into C++, and we're going to, excuse me, we are going to, let's see, current ammo, and then all ammo minus ammo needed. No problem, dude. Thank you for watching and joining us. Alright, now let's compile that code. That should be good. I don't know why it compiles quicker. Yes, he does. Lone Slavic Wolf does code for, or not code, jeez. He does a little bit of coding, but he does create models. Perfect. The math looks to be right. Alright. Holy lag. I don't know why I'm getting so much lag. Probably because, like, the gazillion programs I have open. But I still shouldn't be getting lag. Alright. yeah. Bruh, ZBrush. I know, right? ZBrush for the Substance Painter. I know. Ah, it's insane. Those are like some of the best programs. Okay, let's, instead of doing recoil, we're gonna do automatic fire. Sound good to everyone? We're gonna make automatic auto shooting. Full automatic. And we'll be able to switch fire modes. So we're gonna create an action mapping called fire mode, and we will make it X to change fire mode. Sound good? Anyways, Control S. I'm actually going to Control Shift S. My bad. And in third-person character, let's comment this to be reload. Let's see. What we want to do is make it fully auto. So to do that, fire mode. And I'm gonna make an enum for the fire mode because we can even have burst mode if we want. So I'm gonna go into blueprints, weapons. I'm just gonna create a, let's see, go to blueprints and enum called fire mode. Open that up and add 3 of them, and it will be semi burst. Free up computer storage, thank you. Auto. Crap, I have to go and free up computer storage now, because otherwise crap will start crashing. I already know it. Gotta empty that good old recycle bin, folks. Alright. Godot engine. I've heard of that. I've heard of Godot, but I've never went into it. Is it a good engine? I've never really looked, like I said, I've never looked into it. But I've never, all I know is it uses C++ and stuff. Alright, so Control Shift S, Weapon Master, fire mode, and then fire mode, current weapon, set, fire mode, pressed to let's see, there's a way to do it. No, how do you, okay. Godot uses GD script base on Python? Oh, okay. No taxes. Okay. So, let's see. For each. Wait. No. need to do select. Add option pin. Semi, first, auto, and then we will select via, let's see, get fire mode, array, find, wait, I need to unless there's an enum function or function for it. No, there's not. Contain name, no. Set, no. No, no, no. Only use 3D if only 3D use Lumyard. It's also free and no taxes, but it has better graphics. Yeah, that's very true. Let's see. There's a way. Oh, crap. How do you do it? There's a way to go incrementally through. Crap. How do you incrementally go through a through an enum? I see that. Thank you very much. Switch on int. Yeah, but I need once it goes to integer, but once it goes increment, once it goes to 3, I need it to go back to 0, if that makes sense. I think I've got it. Provide increment, convert to enum. That wouldn't work though, because it wouldn't go back to the first. It wouldn't loop, would it? I'm doing this based off of this is convoluted as all get out. No, that's not gonna work. Yes, you have to check if it exceeded the last enum. Oh, I get what you're saying. Okay. Convert to byte. So I have to grab the enum, convert it to byte. Wait, what am I converting to a byte? The enum? But it won't let me do that for some reason. University? Of course he did! Wait, oh, that's why. Duh, oh my god, I'm so stupid. Byte to... what do I do? To int? Byte? Increment... Didn't want to do that. Oh. Branch. Use an add node there? Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Yeah, I forget the increment does that. I could totally do this though. No, I don't want to do that. Change pin type to integer. All right. No. Equal to 3. Yeah, this is what I was doing initially, but then you kind of confused me, and so I like deleted everything. If equal to 3, use Wait a second. I see the issue already. I see the issue. I just have to figure out a solution for it. There's an issue to where if we keep going, it's just going to keep incrementing and incrementing and incrementing. We want it to set back to 0. The increment twice. Yeah, that should work. Okay. And then I want to... Oh crap. We're good, we're good. All right. Burst, auto, semi, burst, auto, semi, burst, auto, semi, burst, auto, semi, burst, auto. Da da da! Got it. All right, now it obviously doesn't work. But we'll make it work, don't worry. So weapon master. Okay, so we got to do some stuff here. We're gonna have to get the fire mode. All right. Branch. Or wait, no. Crap. Switch on fire mode. On semi, we just do it. Do multi-input. A, B, C. No, that's not what we want. Loop. We want a for loop with 0 to 2, so that we would do a 3 burst, and then delay, a slight delay, and then auto, we will do dot. Not dot delay, jeez, I don't know why I did that. And then we will do rate of fire, and that will be a float. Control drag to get it. Never mind. We'll just do that. Okay. Save. And then, okay, so we should be on semi automatically. And then if I press X, that's weird. Okay, press X again. Oh. I know why. I know exactly why. Shoot. Yeah. Define the rate of fire? That's true too. But that's fine. I didn't need to define it immediately. Rate of fire should just be 0.01. 0.1. There we go. Well, we'll do 0.1 because 0.01 is pretty fast, but we'll modify that later. No, what I actually need to do is firing. So we need to, let's see, when we fire, set is firing to true. Okay, and then what we're going to do gate no, we don't need to do that actually. And I need to put this afterwards. Why did you guys tell me this? Click drag to move all these nodes. Except for this one. There we go. You can click drag on a node to move it, or alt drag to delete it. Auto disconnect everything from it. Nice little factoid though. Alright, we're probably going to be shutting down the stream here pretty soon, but let me check Discord real quick. Let's see. Why archiving channels? Just so that we can have the info from it. Wait, hold on. All right. And then let's see. Let's see. For loop. One. Wait. For loop with break? No, we don't want to break. Zero to 100. Or 0 to, yeah, just we'll do 500 actually. No, that won't work. We have to do it based off the tick? Is that true? Crap, I didn't want to do it based off of the tick. I'm gonna delete this because we don't need it anymore. Fine, I think I have to do it off the tick. Crap. I didn't want to. I'll find a different way. But, fire, nope, not that. Well, that might have been the right thing. I can set a timer too. What do you mean? I don't know what this does. Rate of fire, function name. That's technically an event, not a function. Crap, I lost it. There we go. God, dang it. Ah. I think we need branch. Branch is firing. If we are firing, then we need to do so. Yeah, that's what I did. Fire. That should work, but we'll see. I'm just gonna save everything just in case it doesn't. Okay, so it must be on auto then. Where is it? There we go. Okay. I see. Oh, this. Ah, wait a second. How do I reset? Clear timer, okay. Dang it. Right. Oh, I need it by event, not function name. Let's see. There we go. I can't clear an event timer. Or should I use... Yeah, but shouldn't I use it, or will it still work for a function? There we go. Let's see. I'll do this because the loop should handle it. No, it won't. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, it's not working. It don't work by function, apparently. Crap. It's case sensitive though. Maybe I should call it fire gun since I have 2 fires. Nope, still not working. Yeah, that don't work either. Great. I think I have to use by event, which is fine. But yeah, we're gonna be wrapping up the stream here. I thought I would need to begin firing and stop firing. Well, I'm going to be wrapping up the stream here. Though, anyways, so thank you for everyone who tuned in. Sorry we didn't get the automatic firing finished up. Do have to go, though. Let's see. Anybody new in the Discord? It's very possible. Just not plausible. Matthias, I would love for you to hop back into the Discord. Just if you could mute the channel, that's fine. But if you don't want to hop back in, that's cool. I completely understand. Thank you for being here on the YouTube channel, and thank you for allowing me to let you be a moderator on the live streams and YouTube channel and stuff. But we would much greatly appreciate your expertise in the world of stuff. I would like to PM you though, so if you could at least add me on Discord. This is my Discord. This is my Discord though. So if you could add me, that would be great, because I would like to talk to you one-on-one You don't have to be in the Discord server. But yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking around, watching. Please hop in the Discord if you haven't. Link in the description. Link in the description also for the Google Docs for the forum post that we're going to do to quote-unquote advertise our Discord server. And on top of that, stick around tomorrow for probably another live stream. This live stream will be up on the channel, and hop in the Discord if you want to help me with my YouTube channel and with other stuff. So please, just, I'm encouraging the Discord a lot. But it's a great place to be, and it's a happening place, and we will see you over there. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.